G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Something a bit different now. We're going to be doing the Yamaha YZR500. We're going to be starting this one. So what I'm going to do with this one is practically do it straight out of the box. There's going to be no upgrade kit with this, and just a little bit of carbon fibre here and there. But let's get to the bench. Let's see what we've got in the box. Okay guys, now we're at the bench here. So beautiful looking bike this is. So obviously model kit, highly detailed, 2-stroke V4 cylinder engine. So that's what we've got there, and so like nothing too spectacular about the box. That's the box there. So bit of the box art there, but let's open this up and see what we've got. And okay, we've got our book here, which we'll get stuck into that a bit later. We've got our tyres here, so I've got to obviously clean them up along with our screws. I've got plenty of these screwdrivers, that's for sure. A cable, springs, not springs, and yeah, that's what we've got there. I'll move that out the way so we get a better look. Okay, there's one of our decals for the bike, so there's that, and we get 2 decal sheets actually. So there's this, oops, there we go, that way, this one as well. So that's looking quite good. Now what I should have done was actually opened all these plastics. Now the actual colour I've got from Pro Scale, the Yamaha YZR500. So that's the actual colour for it, the red. And then we've got the if I shake this up a little bit, we'll get a better look. This is going to be for the forks. So that's the color for the forks. If I can get the box back here a little bit and put it down, sort of like the forks there for that color. So that's off Pro Scale as well. So bike forks, gold. So that's that there. So if you're doing a bike, jump across the Pro Scale paints and that'll be in there for you. Okay, so what we got here is, we open this up, there's our cowl set, or body parts. So there we have them there. That's looking good. So there's that part there. Pretty good. This is very good from Tamiya. Happy with that. So there is that one. Then we've got, where else have we got in this one? We've got our another sprue here with our petrol tank, exhaust, radiator there, and our back of the seats there. It's our seat area here, the side cowls, and we've got these little guys here there for our cylinder, handlebars there. Our forks are there. And that's looking pretty good. I'm happy with that. So that's that in the build as well. Now I did see something else in this bag, which I think these are going to be the tie markings. I think, yep, they are. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, very hard to say. I don't want to peel this paper off. I want to try and keep some of this stickiness on here. So they're Michelin, so Michelin tyres, so that's that there. And then we get into our framework. Come out of the bag. Okay, so there's our framework, tyres, rims there, and then we've got our engine there, chain there. What else? That's our seat there, and this is part of our sway bar here. Down the bottom here, the sway bar. So yeah, it's all looking good. Quite happy with that. And then all it is I'm not going to open up this bit. This is just our two windscreens. That's yeah, depending on what number you're doing or what style it is. There's two different for windscreens for obviously different riders prefer different windscreen. So yeah, that's that there. So that's all looking good. And where did I put that book? I've got to go try and find the book now. Oh, put it underneath the box, I think. Yep, that's what I did. Okay. Now generally what I do is when I start off is with a bike build is number one is if I've got to put this, screw it to the actual frame. Like I'm thinking already here, because of the bottom cowl and the side cowl, is I've got to screw it to the frame. And then after this is all painted though, when it's ready for decals, is put this piece on it all as one, and then using the softener, trying to work that in the actual groove area there. So that's what I got to do there. And then what I can do is take it off, then it's ready for 2K. Because if I was put all this together, there's no way knowing you could 2K over this, because you'll get it everywhere. So that's why I do this. So go through the book here, and as you can see, our step one is our engine, but my step one is obviously going to be the frame itself, so I can get on the side cowls while the body work, so I can yeah, get that done with the decals. So as we got there, as you can see there, just a quick look through this really. Step 4 and 5 there, so that's that there. Step 6 and 7 is this area too. So there, I want to go back a little bit here. Now if you're ever doing a bike and you got the swing arm bar there, it's always best off to, before you assemble this, is to, if you're going to paint the pin, you need to drill out a bit further the swing arm bar itself that the pin goes through. You need to actually open that up, widen it out a little bit, because if you paint that without widening it out, it's gonna jam on you. So just a bit of advice there. So that's that there. Then we go across to step 8. More similarly the front. Then we got our exhaust there, so that's looking good. And 13 steps this is. So I'm attaching the exhaust, the rear, the seat area. Gee, I can't talk today. Stand there, and yeah, just more assembly through it all.
So that's good. That's all that there. Oh no, more. 15 steps. And basically putting on the side coils, transfers, and we're all good to go. So I'm going to get stuck into this. So my first step is obviously concentrating on the frame itself and then doing the cowl. So let's get stuck into this.